Welcome back. So I've decided that if Profe Gauche stops being Profe Gauche, she might be like beginning grammar queen or something. So we've been talking a little bit about articles, the words for the, a, and, or some. El, la, los, and las. And a lot of times people get really confused. How do I know which one goes with each word? Well, you can start off with the most basic rule. If a word ends in O, like carro, carro, that's going to be masculine. It ends in an O. So the article that goes with it is el carro. Now here's the crazy thing. Sometimes you have more than one car, and you have cars. In Spanish, well, in English, first of all, you'd add an S. Car, cars. Same thing in Spanish. Carro, carros. But you don't stop there. That's when you change this L to los. Los carros. So when you have a singular word that ends in an O, el carro, the car. But now you have more than one. You got pretty lucky. Maybe you bought your dream car. El carro, the car, turns into los carros, the cars. Both things stay masculine and become plural. The same rule applies, super special effects here, with feminine words. Feminine words in Spanish usually end in A, like fiesta or party. Well, party is fun, right? But parties are better. La fiesta can turn into las fiestas. They both add an S, okay? La fiesta, las fiestas. Again, they stay feminine, which means they end in an A, but you add an S to make it plural. There is now more than one party being talked about. And last but not least, we have trick words. And there aren't too many trick words in Spanish, which is probably why I liked it so much. But let's look at the word animal, animal. It doesn't end in an O, and it doesn't end in an A. Well, there's a little bit more about why I know this is a masculine word, but I'm going to tell you that it's masculine. But here's the trick. When you're just starting out, you do kind of have to memorize it, just use it in a sentence and get comfortable with it. But here's the problem. You just got to learn it. El animal, the animal. But in Spanish, we don't just add an S to a word that ends in a consonant. You know, the word that's not a vowel. This is a consonant, not a vowel. It's not A, E, I, O, or U, or sometimes Y, or whatever that rule is. Anyway, this time you have to get a little bit crazier. Add an ES, animales. So it went from el animal to los animales, animals. This can be a little bit confusing at first, but anytime you have a word that ends in a consonant, you have to add ES to make it plural. And it's up to you to remember if the word is a la or an L. So again, quick reminder. El and los go with words that end in O and Os. La and las go with words that end in A and As. And if you get one of those crazy words that ends in a consonant, all the other letters that are not vowels, you just kind of have to remember if it's a feminine or a masculine word and add ES at the end of that word to make it plural. Enjoy the rest of your day.